All right, look, I'm going to be brutally honest with you guys. GoHighLevel is not a sales CRM, no matter how many people tell you it is. Now, hear me out. I've been building CRMs for a long, long time, over 7 years, and have done over 300 CRM implementations. So I have some experience with creating CRMs. And the reason why GoHighLevel is not a true sales CRM is because it's primarily focused on white labeling, marketing, workflows, AI, etc. And it's lost the sales component. Now, if you are on GoHighLevel, there is a solution. I'm going to show you it in this video here in a moment, step by step. I'm going to show you exactly how to connect it to Close.com. So you can use these two in tandem without having any major issues. You can run all of your marketing. You can run your funnels. You can run your automation out of GoHighLevel. And then you can have your sales organization, your setters, your dialing, your actual sales workflows happening inside of Close.com, and you'll have the best of both worlds. Now, if you're an enterprise level company or a medium to large size business, neither of these are probably the best fit. We are Close.com's #1 partner, but we also do a lot of HubSpot. So if you guys want to talk about HubSpot, go ahead and schedule a call, schedule a time to talk with me or someone on my team. We can point you in the right direction on HubSpot. But for this specifically, if you're on GoHighLevel, you need some more firepower in the sales department. Again, in this video right now, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect GoHighLevel perfectly with Close.com. Now, we do this with clients all the time, and it's super, super simple. A lot of people don't know how easy it actually is. And I'm going to show you with our own account. So we have a RevPilot Close account right here. Okay. And then we have our GoHighLevel account right here. We have a Zapier account. And then we have ads running. So we actually have ads running for our organization, cold traffic. And we do this exact thing. We use GoHighLevel for the front end because it's so simple and everything's just there. And then we fire everything off to Close and work the leads out of Close CRM. Okay. So what this looks like, you're going to need four things. You need a Close account. You need a GoHighLevel account. Okay. Next, you need we got balloons going off. I don't know what's happening there. So Close account, GoHighLevel account. Next, you need GoHighLevel workflow, and you need a Zap. Okay, so 4 things. Now, once you have those, pretty simple to set up. What we're going to do, and I'm just going to go piece by piece here. So we're going to go into sites, and we're going to create a brand new form, just so it's simple. You can do a form or a survey. Survey is like a type form, questions, and then you got forms. Okay, here's the one we use for ads right here. Super simple. But we are going to go ahead and create a builder, add form, start from scratch, create from scratch. We're going to literally do this whole thing in like 10 minutes, and you're going to see how easy this is. So once we come in here, we're going to call this YouTube test for Close. Whoops, that was weird. Close CRM. Okay. Now, first name, last name, phone, email. That's the minimum amount of information you need. You can have literally whatever else you want on here, but we're just going to do this for now. So first name, last name, phone number, and email address. We're going to hit save. Okay. So once we hit save here, we do not want to click integrate. Now, if you want to throw it on your actual landing page, you just click in here, right? Grab the embedded code, copy the code. You're good to go. We are just going to grab the preview link for now because it's going to be good to go. So now we have our form. Okay. So what we need to do is get the form submission from GoHighLevel over to Close. How do we do that? Because that's our actual opt-in. So if we want to get that over, we need to go back in GoHighLevel, and we need to come into automation. Once we're in automation, we're going to click create workflow, start from scratch. And we're going to name this YouTube test. Okay. So boom, add trigger. Now, what is the trigger going to be? Well, the trigger is just going to be that form submission. Okay. So we come over here and we want to find the form. So form submitted. And then we want to add a filter and we want to choose that form. So form is, and then YouTube test. Okay. So boom, easy as that. Cancel. I think I'm in the way. There we go. Save. Cool. So we got our form submitted. Now you can add a delay here if you want. For the purpose of this video, we're not going to add a delay, but you could. Okay. Now you want to type in webhook, and we're just going to grab a webhook. It's going to be a post. The URL is where Zapier comes in. Okay. Now, again, pause the video, slow it down if I'm moving too quickly. We do this every single day. So I want to make sure for the people that can move quicker, we move through this as quickly as possible. if you are not able to move this quickly, just pause it, click on the buttons, and keep going. Okay. So when we click on this, we want to go to Zapier, and we have a new Zap that we're creating right here, and we're going to choose webhook. Okay. Once we grab this webhook, we're going to go in here. We're going to do catch hook, and we're going to click continue, and we're going to click continue, and we're going to grab this webhook URL right here. Copy that, go over here, back to here, pop that guy in there. Okay. Super, super simple. Now, what do we want to actually bring over? You just add right here if you want to, but we're just going to click to save action. We don't even have to do anything. I believe it's going to pull through all the basic information anyways. And all we're looking for is first name, last name, phone number, email address, so we can create the actual contact. Okay. So we're going to turn this to publish. We're going to save this, and boom, that's live. Okay. Now we're going to submit our form. Jordan Park, 602-739. I don't want you guys to have my phone number, so I'm just going to put in whatever. Phone number, jordan@revpilot.co. You can email me anytime there. That's perfectly fine. So we're going to check these, and we're going to click submit, and boom. So now we have a new form. The form submission has been submitted. Okay, done. Now we got balloons going again. That's pretty exciting. So now when we come over here, we got the trigger, and we have the webhook. Now, this should have fired. We can always check just by going to enrollment history, and boom, look at that. We already have it executed. Now we want to come over here, and we want to test this trigger. And what do you know? We have a new record. It's Jordan Park. Here's my email, full name, phone number, all the information we needed. I'm currently in Europe, so I have that information. It's got even like literally everything about my contact in here, more than I would ever need. So next step is going to be, we're going to delay for, let's say, 2 minutes. And this is just a proper way to build it. For the video, I don't need this, but we're going to do delay for 2 minutes just to give it some time to process and think. It's always good to slow your workflows down. And then we're going to add a step here, and we're going to do Close CRM. So we're going to go to Close, and then we're going to do find. Actually, let's do, find lead. Boom. Account. We're going to click our Close account. I think this is my main account. Doesn't really matter for the purpose of this video. Boom, all good there. And then we're going to go down to email right here. Grab that webhook data. So the email is going to be right here, jordan@revpilot.co. Easy enough. And then if it doesn't find this, we want to check this box, create closed lead. If it doesn't exist yet, super straightforward. We're going to come down here, contact name. And again, I said I would build this whole thing for you guys. So we want to do, we're just going to do full name, keep it super simple. Email. So I usually do direct email, but it doesn't really matter. I don't know why they have so many in here. I've never really cared for email. There we go. And then we have phone. I want to do mobile phone. I always like to do mobile. So I'm going to put in my mobile phone number. And boom. Now, here's something to note real quick, guys. You did +49 602 because I'm in Germany. So you can turn that on and off in the form for GoHighLevel. But you can also use whatever form you want. This is specifically for connecting GoHighLevel. So continue, test step. It's going to go ahead and test this. Now, it's not going to create a new lead because I already have a lead in our CRM, or should probably, for Jordan. But it will go update any information that isn't currently active on there, okay? So a lead was sent to Close. Let's go ahead and open up Close now. And if I just refresh this, it should probably be right at the top of this lead list. And there we go. We got Jordan Park, all right? So, boom, we got a new lead created. Now, I haven't told it to do anything else, but it does have my phone number, the fake phone number, my email address, my website, my name, okay? So that is how you connect GoHighLevel to Close. And why is this important? Well, a lot of you are stuck in GoHighLevel and you don't know what to do when it comes to Close. So we have a ton of videos on our YouTube channel about how to build out a Close account. Build out your Close account, connect your GoHighLevel account, make yourself more money. You will make more money. I promise you. Dialing is easier. Creating lists is easier. Smart views is easier. It's easier to manage opportunities. And we have all of this on our website. Now, what is GoHighLevel good for? Front-end workflows, marketing workflows, marketing websites and pages and forms and surveys, and conditional routing. All really easy to do in GoHighLevel before you move on to other platforms like ClickFunnels or WordPress, and you have a team of developers or someone that can do the AI. Use GoHighLevel, okay, as you scale. Now, once you guys are at scale, once you've kind of passed that $20 million mark, you can start looking into HubSpot. Don't jump there too early, but you can. Okay. So if you guys are at, I would say 5 million plus per year in revenue, feel free to schedule a call to talk with me or my team. You as the business owner should not be doing this. So if you are watching this video right now and you are a business owner, stop watching these videos. Make sure your team is doing it. And if your team's not good enough to do it, hire a third party, regardless if that's us or someone else. Make sure you schedule a call, get some of the right information, but you cannot be wasting your time as a business owner on things like this. You won't be able to do things that actually matter inside of your business, which ultimately will just lose you money. Okay. If you're just starting out, follow the rest of the videos on the YouTube channel, check them out. There's a ton of value in there. I show you how to build close accounts literally from the ground up. So I hope this video is helpful. I hope it incites some creativity and some thought. And if you guys need anything else, leave a comment. Let us know what videos you'd like to see, and we'll see you on the other side. Cheers.